This video will walk you through how to assemble your wall cabinet. Start by applying glue to all the grooves in your face frame. Next, you want to take your wall inserts and slide them into the grooves. Be sure to make them even with the face frame. The next thing you will want to do is slide in your cabinet's top and bottom inserts. Again, making sure that you slide all the way into the grooves. Now, stand up your cabinet so you can slide in the back. Next, you will put screws in all the pre-drilled holes on the back side. If your cabinet has corner braces, you will want to attach them to each corner at the top and bottom. Using the dimples on the face frame as a guide, attach your hinges where marked on the face frame. Now, using the pre-drilled holes, attach your hinges to the door. Once the hinges and door are attached, you can now put on your door stops. With that, you're ready to install your new cabinet.